Right now, the governor of Maine is considering a full moratorium on all new data centers there.
We have seen protests against planned data centers here in central Indiana, and now the fight is coming to the political arena.
Emily Longnecker asked the Democrats hoping to represent Indianapolis in Congress where they're standing right now on this controversial issue.
When it comes to the issue of data centers, all four candidates say they support moratoriums on more of them coming into communities.
I support the federal bill from Senator Bernie Sanders and AOC around a moratorium on data centers. And the reason I do that is because what we're seeing right now in data centers is the early innings of the larger AI debate that's to come. And the reality is we do not have the institutional capacity in Congress to govern this general purpose technology that is reshaping in real time civic, political, economic, in militaristic ways of life and doing things. And so I'm very concerned, as it comes to that.
What do you say to those who argue that data centers bring in investment and tax revenue?
I hear this argument a lot, and they do bring in some revenue. Here's the problem, is that when they come in, they have been directed to come in under one priority, and that is speed. What we're not seeing at the local level, because we're not equipped with it with our municipal elected officials, is that we are doing the negotiations on behalf of the community on the front end.
Where do you stand on data centers coming into Indiana communities?
It's shameful. It's shameful that our city council would do that. I'm saying, where are the leaders? The people on the ground, they are extremely upset. And you're talking about taxes. The data centers, sometimes it's debatable. They cause health issues. Who's going to pay that extra price? What do they do with the tax revenue? Is there job training? Women to be able to get Medicaid? Are they going to improve the school system? What are they actually going to do with that revenue? I don't see a plan. What's the plan?
It's called the AI Data Center Site Selection and Transparency Act. And it requires early disclosures to the public on all new data centers. And, it addresses those key impacts that we talk about: water consumption, cooling demands, environmental impacts. All violations of these things would be deemed illegal. So I support a moratorium on all construction in our district.
Data centers and the controversy around them are just some of the topics the candidates touched upon in one-on-one interviews. You can see my full interviews with each streaming on WTHR Plus starting on Sunday. Emily Longnecker, 13 News.
And you can hear more from each of the candidates on Crossroads Politics this Sunday at 10 a.m. It airs on WTHR Plus.